In your search for optimal health, you will encounter as many opinions as there are stars in the sky. Some of them will guide you to success, and others will be just needless detours. It's likely that some will be counterproductive and even misleading, not because of ill will, but because of lack of understanding of the single most important principle that affects your ability to achieve maximum performance in all aspects of your life, your biological individuality. I know this intimately. I've been there, done that, and I have the diploma to prove it. Metabolic typing is the tool that you need to use to discover which foods are right for you, and how to construct your meals to build health instead of disease. Having a health coach to help you along the path to health is invaluable. All top performance athletes use a coach because it works.